To get started with our program, we have representatives from Honda here tonight, and Jim Keller, who is the Chief Engineer of Honda R&D Americas, will be our first speaker. Jim, thank you. Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Thank you for joining us for this Detroit section meeting. I know it's been a long day, and you've probably seen and heard a lot, and you may be tired. But I hope this dinner has served to refuel you and refresh you, and you're ready for something that you've never seen before. Tonight we're going to tell you about two products we're very excited about at two different ends of the mobility spectrum. But before we get into the presentations, I'd like to take a moment and recognize the Detroit section team for successfully hosting these events for all these years. It's been 25 years since I attended my first one of these meetings, and I was just like a student that you just heard introduced 25 years ago. And so I think you guys have a really winning formula here and a great organization. So if I could have a round of applause for the Detroit section team. I joined Honda in 1990 and worked at our Ohio R&D Center. After an extended assignment in the R&D Center in Japan, I joined our office here in Southfield, and shortly after it opened in 1996. And it was about that time that Honda made its first presentation of a new product in the Detroit chapter. It was what we considered to be at the time the first original vehicle we developed in the United States, the 1997 Acura CL. Since that time, we've presented a number of new products here at the Detroit section, including stories about the Honda Ridgeline and Accord, as well as advanced environmental technology such as the first generation Civic Hybrid, our FCX fuel cell vehicle also. Maybe some of these images will bring back some memories of those past presentations. In every product we develop, from our largest SUV to the Honda Fit, or from the HondaJet to a Honda lawnmower, we're always seeking to reduce the environmental footprint, reduce emissions, all while delivering a level of quality and performance that exceeds the needs and expectations of our customers. Tonight we have the development leaders from both the new Honda Insight Hybrid, which you see here, as well as the HondaJet. The Insight brings to market a new level of affordable hybrid technology, and the HondaJet is our first entry in a very light jet mobility segment. This may seem like an odd pairing, but in actuality it's in harmony with the theme of this year's Congress, Racing to Green Mobility. Each of these products represents a significant advancement in fuel efficiency. Furthermore, we believe both products represent original thinking and Honda's spirit of innovation to create new value within an existing product segment. The original Insight was a pioneer when it debuted in 1999 as our first hybrid car on sale in America. And the all-new Insight is also pioneering, leading a new direction in making hybrid technology more affordable and within reach of most car buyers. We have members of the Honda Insight team with us here tonight, including our large project leader, Chief Engineer Yasunari Seki. You'll hear from Seki-san in just a minute. But after learning about the Insight, you'll also hear a presentation on the development and continued advancement of the HondaJet from the president of Honda Aircraft Company based in North Carolina, Mr. Michimasa Fujino. He spent the last 2 decades leading the entire development of the HondaJet from concept through today's efforts to certify, manufacture, and deliver these advanced products to the customer. I hope you had the opportunity to ask some questions about these products at the hospitality hour, but we want to know both Mr. Seki and Mr. Fujino, as well as other Honda representatives, will remain after tonight's presentation to answer any questions you have. But before we start tonight, Mr. Fujino asked me specifically to give you one piece of advice. Please put your tray tables up in the upright position, and you'll have the exits to your rear and to the sides. And please keep in mind your nearest exit may be behind you.